Hello guys, Sheepdog here, coming at you from out in the middle of nowhere, New Mexico. I'm a little outside of a little town called Corona, New Mexico, and I wanted to do a little quick pocket dump, let you see what I'm carrying on this trip. Of course, I got my wallet. Again, if anybody wants to do a little commission, I want a little wallet like this that I can put a Fisher Space Bin pocket on the side. But so if anybody wants to do a little commission, a little front pocket wallet with a slot for a Fisher Space Bin. And of course I have my Fox Knives cigar cutter. Best cigar cutter on the market. There's a little pouch for it. And I'm carrying my Visol 3-burner lighter. And as always, my Zebra F701 all stainless steel ballpoint pen. For the money, probably the best pen on the market. I've carried one of these since high school. They've been around forever. And of course, my truck keys. And for my traditional knife this time around, classic Sadi Jr. in a classic yellow Delrin. There's no reason for anybody not to have one of these little knives, man. Bang for the buck, $40. This one's in stainless steel. Wonderful knives. Wonderful knives. And for my modern, you saw this in my last video. Kershaw. All stainless steel. Stainless steel construction. Wonderful knife. I'm digging this. I'm glad I picked it up. And my cigar for the day, Camacho Corojo in the Toro size. Corojo has a little bit of sweetness, but a lot of pepper. If you're a cigar smoker, give it a go. But that's my pocket dump for this trip. And you all have a wonderful day. And remember, a dull knife is a dangerous knife. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, guys.